Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat, back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about yield farming, some new farms, just heaps of stuff. So stick around and let's roll that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification if you enjoy the content. If you don't, then don't subscribe. I really mean that. I don't want anyone to subscribe if they don't enjoy the content or they're not interested in the content. My main focus is to deliver stuff that is beneficial for you guys, and I want the audience to be fully organic, to be commenting on stuff because they want to. Got some bad news. There will be no more monthly crypto giveaways. They will stop immediately. And the reason why I've done that is because I don't want people coming to the channel just to get the code words, just to get into the monthly giveaways so that they can win money. I want people to actually come to the channel because they enjoy the content and they're actually interested in crypto. Good news is I still will give away crypto. Except I'm just going to do it randomly. Sometimes I won't even mention it in the video and I'll just leave it. It's just tell people in the video unannounced. It could be, $10, $20, $30, $50, whatever. Okay. I'm going to do it randomly. So it's just going to be a benefit for the people that are really interested in the channel, that really want to know about crypto and making money with crypto, go full time with crypto. It's going to be an extra bonus anyway because you're already listening to the videos, so I really appreciate it. So let's go into the monthly giveaway for June because we have already hit July. OMG, God, it's flying. Here, let's sort by the most entries, okay? So there was 131 participants. Thanks everyone for participating. There's going to be 5 winners, so let's just find them. Okay, so these are the 5 winners. I'll send you an email first and then you can just reply with your wallet and I'll just send you the BUSD. Now here there's 2 people at the bottom that got 29, so I'll just send you the last, or both of these people, the prize, 5th prize anyway. Okay, so that's what I'll send you. First prize to 5th prize. Okay, Iron Finance. You guys remember Iron Finance? The price of iron tanked and basically went to zero, almost zero. Okay. However, there is news. It's now recovering quite a bit. And this is it here. Okay, so it's actually gone up quite a lot. Like 500%. It's gone down here a little bit, but the reason why this has come back is because they're rebuilding Iron Finance. They're going to bring a version 2 out, and I'll put the link below for this. They want to build. They're saying that they've learnt from the lessons in the past and they want to make the product better. Guys, who really knows? Who really knows what their intentions are? The team that was responsible or not, no one really knows. But if you're interested in Iron Finance 2, they're talking about compensation. Read this article in full. I won't go through it all, but basically there'll be a version 2 with compensation. And who knows? Who knows? See, I bought 159 million tokens when this basically dropped to almost zero, and I put $10 in. It was about 400. Now it's $285. So yeah, look, either way, I don't really care because I've turned $10 into $285. Should I sell now? Yeah, probably, but yeah, I want this to get to 1 cent. That'll give me, well, you can do the maths on that. So PolyCrystal, you guys remember that I did a review on this. They've got some, they're hiring. They've got some new things coming. Still 27 million value locked in this. So this is a Medium article published about 11 hours ago. and they just talk about the July roadmap, things that they want to implement, and new features. And this is going to hopefully, make the coin more deflationary and cut the emissions to 4, and just to make the product better to grow that platform. You can read this. It's got new features, developments, what they want to do, key token activities, other initiatives, and so forth. And also they've even got like basically a roadmap, or like a strategy, what they want you to do to maximize the Crystal token. And you can see it here. You can read all this. The price of Crystal has gone up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. $1.70 today, and it went to $2.55. It's gone up about 60 cents today. So look out for this one. Again, none of this stuff is financial advice. These yield farms are highly risky, but you really just gotta. There's not many of them that do long term. Usually they're gone within a month, or sometimes within a week, or even a few days. So you really, with this yield farm stuff, especially these new ones that are coming on Polygon, you have to just really research them, weed them out to see the ones that have a long-term vision, that have a competent team, and the partnerships that evolve. So that's really going to be the difference between whether these coins or these yield farms succeed or not. It's because the community gets behind them. So keep an eye on PolyCrystal. Again, I'll put a link to this article below. So what I've seen, and I've got a few comments on this, was Quitty. This is a bit of a weird one. The name's a bit weird. And when you're looking at all this, look, you can get totally confused. You're thinking, what is this about? Right? There's got this Trove stability pool. You can stake it. They got farms. Then there's liquidation. Look, you can get confused like crazy. Then they got this scale thing, which is a TCR. So let's just dive into it. And I'll just quickly explain. I won't make it this too long, but essentially, basically what they're doing is you can come in here and you can go to this Trove thing, and you can basically stake your Matic. You're going to get 1-for-1 Matic. You're going to get this PUSD debt token, okay? So you can redeem this token for Matic anytime. Well, actually, the redemption is not enabled yet for the first 14 days, okay? But it will be soon, okay? You basically get your Matic, and then you provide, use it as collateral, right? And you get this PUSD in equal USD value, okay? So then when you get this PUSD, so essentially you're like taking out a loan, 100% loan, in other words. Then you get this, when you get this PUSD, you can either stake it here, right, at 85.45% APR, which is about, it's not that high, probably 0.2%. I don't know. You can do the maths on that, and then you can stake it, and then you can earn more of this PYQ and Matic. All right, so you're earning these two. You can also come along here and stake this PYQ to earn. It doesn't actually give you the APR on this one. If you're confused already, don't worry. It is confusing. And then you got these farms, and then you can just pair these up with USDC, or PUSD with USDC, and PYQ with USDC, which I advise you not to do this. Okay, this is just the liquidation, and the liquidation's got to do with this thing here, what they call a TRC. At the moment it's fine. Once it gets below 110%, I believe, then they're going to liquidate your assets. To stop that, you just go to Trove, back to Trove, and you can repay it, to stop this from happening. So it's like a lending platform. You're lending this Matic, or you're staking. I guess you're just providing Matic as collateral, and you're going to get this PUSD. Then you can stake this and get more money, and then it goes like round in a circle, I guess. Okay, you can read the docs on it. Still a huge fan of I'm not a fan as in a fan. I just like it because I just think there's huge potential with this, and even both WEX and WEX Poly. All right, I just think that it's really, really undervalued right now, and because of BTC's gone down, it's a great opportunity to be staking this stuff until BTC goes back up. So now they've got this the charts and the analytics, which is pretty cool. This is a new feature they've added, but this is probably illustrates why I like Walt so much. And if you just look at this kind of tells the full story pretty much. You compare it with PancakeSwap, or this one, I think this one's MDEX. So you look at the volumes, you look at the total value locked, and obviously the total value locked doesn't compare. But this is Bakery Swap, and if you look at the total market cap, it's tiny. It's tiny compared to Bakery Swap and MDEX. Totally tiny. And look at PancakeSwap. Look at the volume. Okay, so if you divide the market cap, right, and then if you look at the difference, the multiples between the market cap and the volume should be much, much less, but it's much, much more. And even the total value locked. All right, so this means that this Walt, it's got a serious amount of volume. It's got a crap load of TVL, but the market cap is so tiny compared to the others. So it's got huge growth ahead of it. Obviously, do your own research, but I've been pretty much stacking this up like crazy when it dropped to like 6 cents. 0.006 cents. And I think it'll easily do a 10x WEX Poly here, and long term it could go to $1. Even WEX could go to $1. Okay, so they're just some my thoughts on it, not financial advice. Okay, so this one is called Farm Hero. Look out for this one. Ordered by Certec. Again, that doesn't mean much these days, but yeah, it's different. This one's different. It's an NFT and yield farm, and very similar to most yield farms out there, but it's got an added twist. It's got games. It's already got partnerships as well, or collaborations. ApeSwap and Walt. Usual QuickSwap LPs, but there are some collaborations there. You can farm, you can NFTs, you can stake tokens here, honor this honor token, and earn Quick or WEX Poly. You got this staking vesting, and it's got this game. So this is probably the one that I'm most interested in. Is this game? It's called FOMO game. There's some other things too. They got auction and the roll game, but the FOMO games are interesting because basically how this works is the last one that adds or gets in or invests, they can win the pot, and but also when all these people that are in there at the moment, there's 161. They still win money. All right, so let's just go and have a look at the docs and all. So here's basically it. So when the rewards, they also have a referral program out, which is you'll earn 1 pot distribution. Winner gets 30% of the pot. They roll the next 20% into the next pot, and all the key holders burns keys within the round is 50%. So a round is preceded with a 1 hour starting grace period. Deposits not deposited. To get this key token, you have to actually have this honor token. So the honor token is the actual main token of the farm. But to get into the FOMO game, you've got to swap your honor, or I guess if you call it mint, your honor, and you'll get key. So what this whole thing, this FOMO game is doing is you can win money, like it's a guaranteed win, even if you don't win the pot, you're still going to get a percentage of the whole, like, of the pot. And what this is doing is it's essentially just staking or getting people to stake their honor token. So it's kind of like locking them up, but it's giving them an incentive. It's not just saying, hey, stake this. It's giving kind of a use case to why they should giving them an incentive, because then they can play this game and earn basically money for free passively. So look more into this one. It's definitely different. It's at farmhero.io. And lastly, good site for latest degen yield farms is Rug Doctor, or rugdoc.io, and they've got a bunch of like yield farms here. Okay, these are on BSC and Polygon, and then it just kind of ranks them: high risk, low risk, some risk. But it's got heaps of farms. Like literally, if you came to this site and you just had a look at it and then just like went through each one, you wouldn't have enough time in the day, honestly. There's tons of these degen yield farms. And also, look, they have kind of their valuation on it. They don't have recommendations on it. They just give you the risks. But even if it says low risk, don't think of that as it's not going to rug. They all can rug, okay, if they want to. So if you're into degen farms, check out this one. It's got tons of degen farms here, which will keep you very busy if this is your type of thing. All right, guys. So thanks for sticking to the end. I really appreciate it. And also for you guys that have subscribed, only subscribe if you really want to know how to make passive income or build your crypto portfolio, using many different methods, many different strategies that I talk about on the channel. If that's your thing, then subscribe. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support. If you notice, my audio is a little bit better. I finally purchased a better microphone, so thanks for everyone for your feedback on that. And hopefully there's no squeaky noises or high-pitched noises with this mic. Don't forget to subscribe and the bell notification if you enjoy the content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.